Hi there, Tim Deere. Right, so flame grilled chicken kebabs or chicken skewers. Moroccan twist, Asian flavours in there as well. Desiccated coconut, fennel, and we've got coriander seeds. We're going to toast those. Some tagine, chestnut mushrooms. We're going to add a little bit of peanut butter just because it adds a really lovely undertone of satisfying flavour. Garlic salt, maple syrup to add a nice sweetness because this will be quite a spicy hot dish, and some garlic butter. This is lovely, it's blended with onions, parsley, garlic and other herbs. Spanish food colouring, Maggi's liquid seasoning in, which is lovely. I think although it's a vegetarian seasoning, it still adds a kind of, well, wonderful kind of meaty quality. Olive oil spray light, squirty garlic, some yellow, some orange and red pepper, and we're also going to put some red onion, some nice pineapple and chicken breasts. Those are the ingredients. I'm going to prepare that for you now, so follow me. What I want to say is, when you're looking for skewers, make sure you get the ones like this that have got sort of two parts to them, so when you slide things on you can turn them and things don't just spin around. Toast these now in a dry pan. So that's coriander seeds and fennel seeds toasted. You see them popping, but wait till you see them smoking as well, and that means they're about ready. So let's get these out of the hot pan. We're going to sprinkle most of that into our marinade. And some olive oil. Right, so let's get some of the wonderful Mediterranean colouring in. Look at that. Piece by piece. Just give them a little spray of spray light, and then we'll put them on the barbecue. Excited, follow me. We're going to use the leftover marinade, so we're going to finish these off in the oven. They're sitting in the leftover marinade juices. Just coat them in some garlic butter.